Have you ever tried making pizza roll in an air fryer? If no, this is the best time. Cooking a pizza rolls in an air fryer is a really genius way to make your pizza rolls crispy but still has that soft and chewy texture. And this time we will use sun-dried tomato for the filling. That's even better. Let's get into the recipe. This is the ultimate guide to air fryer pizza rolls. We are going to start with pre-made pizza dough. First, dust a surface and a rolling pin with flour. Then roll the dough out into a rectangle shape. You can also make your own pizza dough, but I love to use the pre-made one because it's so convenient and saves so much cooking time. After that, just use your finger to make little dents on the dough gently. This will help to prevent the air bubbles when you cook them. Then brush with some olive oil. Olive oil will help to prevent the topping from seeping into the dough so your dough won't get soggy. Now spread the sauce over the dough, leaving about an inch around the edge. It's important to leave some space around the edge because the filling will spread out a little bit when you roll them up. Beautiful! Let's spice this sauce up with dry oregano. Say cheese! The most favorite topping that everyone loves. We are using mozzarella and Parmesan for this recipe. Of course, mozzarella. It makes your pizza turn to a beautiful, melty, without oily, lumpy texture. Plus, the nutty and fruity flavor from Parmesan will help to make your roll taste even better. Then top with pepperoni and sun-dried tomatoes. Yes, sun-dried tomatoes, because this is the ultimate recipe. So I want to bring you guys to another level by adding these sun-dried tomatoes into your pizza rolls. It gives a perfect sweet tart flavor. Time to roll it up. Roll into a cylinder or like a log shape. It's the same way as you do with your cinnamon rolls. Keep in mind that you need to roll it as tight as possible. Why? Because if it's too loose, the filling will fall down when you cut it and it will be very messy. Believe me, you don't want that. Then pinch the top to seal the seam and move it to a tray with parchment paper. Put it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will make it easier to cut. The pizza roll is ready to be cut. Carefully slide them into about 1.5 inch thick pieces. Then come to the tricky part, but it's very necessary. We need to pinch the bottom of each roll to seal it so that it prevents the cheese and the filling from falling down in the air fryer. Of course, you can use parchment or foil in the air fry basket, but without them, it works better. You did it! Oh my god, you just passed the hardest part in this recipe. So now we just need to cook them. First, brush your air fryer basket with olive oil. Then place the roll in a single layer. Leave some space between each of them. It can be done in batches. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 5 to 8 minutes or until your rolls are golden brown and crispy from the outside. Time's up! Let's transfer the pizza roll to a cooling rack while you cook the next batch. Babies are ready. What you need to do now is just transfer your pizza rolls to your beautiful plate. Serve with a dipping sauce that you like or just eat them right away. Oh, wait. Let me add basil to make this plate prettier. There you go, air fryer pizza rolls. Isn't that fun to make? These pizza rolls are cheesy, tasty, and have a great texture. What else do you want? Nothing. I hope you give this recipe a try and see you in the next video. Well, let us know what you thought about this video and don't forget to like and turn on the notification so you won't miss any of our new recipes.